So before you complain, before you get mad in the comments, it was raining that day. We were struggling, running around trying to find a decent place to shoot. I was too focused on my photo shoot to think about the raindrops on my camera. I know the camera that I'm using to film that behind the scenes video. So basically you have two options. Option number one, it's still watchable somehow. Still get a sense of what happened that day, so I might as well share the footage with you guys. Or option number two, it's unwatchable. You don't want to see raindrops on my lens, so I get rid of the footage and nobody will ever see what happened that day. If you know me, and if you're still watching this long intro, you probably already know which option I chose. Let's go. Rain, gray skies, a little bit of sun, and then again gray skies and a little bit of rain. This is what we had the past weeks here in the southwest of France. Usually I do my CrossFit photo shoots inside a gym or inside a box, as they call it. So this was kind of an opportunity to do things a little bit differently, to have a different vibe, a different mood. And you know what, this is kind of becoming a tradition because this is not the first time I'm sharing footage, behind the scenes footage of a photo shoot where things didn't go as planned. Dealing with bad weather is common for every photographer, so we might as well learn how to make cool images even in the worst conditions. So let's dive into this. No flash, just the GFX 100 and my personal favorite lens, the GF 110 f2. We started with basic exercises in the water, trying to play with the water, splash the water somehow, making some cool effects, but it didn't look good. So we made it simple.
Tu vas essayer de bouger le moins possible l'eau. Yes. Yes.
You know, I'm a big fan of reflection, so we tried that with the water too, but it didn't look good.
Allez, quand tu veux. À gauche, c'est bien.
Every time this happens, if you're short in time, keep things simple. So after a few portraits, after a few basic static shots, we decided to move on. On our way there, we saw a bunch of trees. So from the fake beach, we moved on to a fake forest. But while we were looking for those trees, on our way there, we saw this undescribable location. A canal with water not too deep, so we thought, hey, let's go down there and make some shots.
descends.
This for me was the best part of the photo shoot, and we finally got to play with the water.
En bas, c'est comme je te disais, au moment où tu vas prendre la barre, tu vas juste légèrement la soulever. Waouh! Ah putain, ça peut être classe ça. On va faire ça à la fin.
Du coup, quand tu vas la lâcher, pareil, tu regardes la barre. Quand tu veux. Quand tu veux. Merci.
And I also made a few portraits there because I really liked the vibe and mood of the location, something I just cannot get when shooting inside a gym. I can definitely say that the GFX 100 is weather sealed and not waterproof. It survived this wet, cold session. Hats off to Mélanie for accepting to shoot in such conditions. And here are some before and after images so that you guys can see how much was done in post-production. Of course, you can access all of these things in the related blog post with images in better quality, all the settings, and blah, blah, blah. There might be some changes in the weeks to come due to what's happening in the world right now. I announced a few dates in France and Europe, and I may not travel that much in the end. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. I announce things there, or to check out the first page of my website. I will do my best to update all the info in real time. If you stumbled upon this channel, A Square, it is me. It is my new channel. I will post there anything that doesn't belong to this channel. Video work mainly, video footage from cameras I'm testing, like this little dance clip that I posted a few weeks ago. That was filmed last year, at the end of last year, during my short stay in Paris where I was testing the GFX 100. So join me there and just say hi. I won't post a lot right now, but I will post more and more by the end of the year. So please, everybody, take care of your loved ones. Don't panic. Stay positive. Together, we will all go through this. And I will see you guys in the next one. But until then, please have a good one.